Hello friends, welcome to our coin market money. So friends, today I am going to tell about how to buy any token in Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet by using any exchange. So friends, for this you should have Faucet Pay account and any exchange that support Tron withdrawal, and you should have wallet of Trust or MetaMask. So first you have to create Faucet Pay account. It is very simple. In 5 minutes the Faucet Pay account will be created. So I will give the official site of Faucet Pay account link in the video below description. Just click on and create it. So after creating, just come to your Faucet Pay account, and here left side top 3 lines are there. Click on that, and here you can see dashboard. Click on user dashboard, and here you can see deposit. Just click on deposit. Doji, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, Tron is came. Here you can see Tron TRX. Here you have to copy the Tron address, and then go to your exchange which support Tron. Here this is my WazirX account. Here I will buy Tron. Here you can see Tron is there. Just click on that. Click on buy, so that Tron will be bought in your WazirX exchange. Then afterwards go to Tron withdrawal. Go to funds. Here down, scroll down. There is Tron here. Just click on that. Just here you have to click on withdraw. Here you have to paste the Faucet Tron address here, and how much you want to withdraw Tron. Here you can see withdraw all. Just click on that, and then down you can write any remarks and just proceed with withdrawal. Then the whole Tron that will be transferred to Faucet account that you created, in that the Tron will be transferred. Here you can see the Tron fees is just 5 Trons, so it is takes very less for Tron fees. Then afterwards go to your Faucet account. On top right side 3 lines are there. Just click on that. Here you can see convert from BTC. Just change to Tron, so you will get the amount what you have transferred from your exchange. The Tron amount will become here maximum. Just click on maximum. Then afterwards you have to convert to what. Just click on that. Select on Binance BEP20 BNB. Here down is there. Just click on that, and click on make exchange. That's it. Your Tron will be changed, converted into Binance BEP20 smart chain. Afterwards converting, just go to your Trust wallet or MetaMask. Now I am in my MetaMask wallet. You can see here, after entering in your wallet, you have to click on BNB. Here you can see BNB smart chain. Then you have to click on receive. Then copy this BNB smart chain address. Then go to Faucet account. In Faucet, just on top 3 lines are there, corner left side. Just click on that. Your dashboard is there. Just click on that, and afterwards click on user dashboard. Then you will get like this, and here you can see click on withdraw option. So afterwards scroll down. Here you can see normal withdrawal 4 hours. In place of Bitcoin, just change it to your Binance BEP20 BNB. So whatever you have Binance BEP20 coins will appear here. So down you can see withdrawal address. So for those who are new in faucet, they can't see the withdrawal address. Just who are new, just click on down, link is there, just click on that, and here address is there. Just paste the BNB Smart Chain address which are you copied in MetaMask, and then name it BNB, and then here coin you have to put BNB BEP20, Binance BNB BEP20, and just click on link. So this automatically linked. Then go back, then automatically the address will come here, withdrawal address will come here of MetaMask BNB Smart Chain address will come here automatically after linked. So then you enter how much you want to withdraw BNB Smart Chain amount, you have to enter here, and if you want to enter all, just click all, and then it will show the fees, how much transaction fees will cut. Then afterwards you just last click on place withdrawal. After this all your BNB Smart Chain tokens will be transferred to your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet if you have. Then go to your MetaMask or Trust wallet. Here the total BNB Smart Chain will appear what you have transferred. If you want to buy any coin which are not present here, just go to their site and copy the contract text. You can see smart contract of EchoChain token, just copy it, then go back to your MetaMask wallet or whatever you have Trust wallet. It is MetaMask means so we have to go here on top left side, just click on 3 lines and just click on browser, Pancake Swap. Here click on Pancake Swap Finance. Just connect your wallet to the Pancake Swap. Just click on connect wallet. You have to click on MetaMask here. Then the wallet will be connected to the Pancake Swap. You can see connected, and afterwards down you have to come here, left side trade symbol is there, just click on that. You can see on top BNB Smart Chain is there, so you will get the amount whatever you have in BNB Smart Chain here, and down you can see select a currency. So we have to select a currency, just click on that and paste the contract address of EchoChain token here. Then here down came ECT, just click on that, and how much amount you want to buy the EchoChain token, you can buy by using BNB Smart Chain. Here top maximum symbol is there, just click on maximum if you want maximum amount to buy, otherwise set your calculation upon how much you want to buy. Then afterwards come to down here and just click on approve. Then automatically it will take you another page, there you have to confirm, then automatically the ECT will be added in your wallet. So this way you can buy EchoChain token or any other tokens in your Trust wallet or MetaMask by using any exchange with the help of faucet. So friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more new videos.